Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to enable incognito mode on Tinder. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go and open Tinder app. After that go and click on profile, and after that go and click on edit profile, and after that scroll down more, and sometimes you will find the option here, and if you can't find it here, you have to go to settings, click on settings icon on the top right of the screen, and after that scroll down a little bit until you will find this control my visibility. You will have the standard when you will be discoverable in the card stack, and the second one is incognito, like you will be discoverable only by people who you like. And you should know also that this option is available only for Tinder Platinum subscribers. So if you are not using Tinder Platinum account, which is the most expensive one, you can't use this option. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.